What is autotrophic nutrition? A. Nutrition in which organisms obtain food by breaking down complex organic compounds. B. Nutrition in which organisms obtain food from other organisms. That is wrong. C. Nutrition in which organisms obtain food by consuming both plants and animals. Very, very wrong. D. Nutrition in which organisms produce their own food using energy from the sun or inorganic substances. That is exactly what we're looking for. So, and the answer to this question is D. The answer to the question is D. Photosynthesis is like a magic power that plants have. They take in one, sunlight, that is energy from the sun. Two, water, that is energy, that is water from the ground. Then three, carbon dioxide, that is from the air, and produce one, glucose, a type of sugar that gives them energy. Two, oxygen, a rocket which they release into the air for us to breathe. In short, photosynthesis make their own food. That is photosynthesis in plants makes plants to make their own food. That is like glucose. It helps us breathe by releasing oxygen. So plants' magic power, photosynthesis. Plants have a special power that helps them to survive and thrive. They use energy from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create one, food. We're talking about glucose. It gives them energy to grow and develop. Two, oxygen, released into the air for humans and animals to breathe. How plants make food. One, catch sunlight, absorb energy from the sun rays. Two, drink water, take in water from the ground through their roots. Three, breathe in CO2, absorb carbon dioxide from the air. And four, they also create glucose. Use sunlight, water, and CO2 to make glucose. That is the food. So five, they release oxygen, let out oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. And then plants help us breathe by releasing oxygen. Plants help us and other living creatures breathe easily. You know, it's a very vital process that supports life on Earth. In simple terms, photosynthesis is like cooking a recipe for plants. So the ingredients are like sunlight, water, CO2, and the output gives us glucose, which is the food, and oxygen, which is the byproduct. We look at the next question. And the next question states the alternate form of a gene is it A, alternate type, B, dominant character, C, recessive character, and D, allele? The answer to this question is allele. Now, allele is a very unique kind of gene. So, for instance, if we're talking about a particular character like height, we have tall height and we have short height. So, they are all working for a particular character, which is height. But between these individuals, there are differences. Between these genes, there are differences in terms of heights because we have short and we have tall. So that's what makes it to be an allele. So more on this allele. Think of alleles like different flavors of ice cream. A gene is like a specific ice cream flavor, like chocolate or strawberry. Alleles are like different variations of that flavor, like chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or white chocolate. That is for representing different alleles. Strawberry, sweet strawberry, sour strawberry, or strawberry cheesecake, also representing different alleles. Just like how different ice cream flavors have different taste, alleles have different effects on the organism. In the example, one allele, that is like a version of the flower color gene, makes red flowers. Another allele makes white flowers. So alleles are like different versions of a gene that can bring about different characteristics or traits. If you observe this cross here, we are basically looking at albinism. So these ones, the parents are capital A, small a, capital A, small a. They are heterozygous for the trait, meaning that they cannot get the trait of albinism, but their offspring can, one of their offspring can get the trait. after they have been crossed. So you understand? Yeah, the different alleles make up these particular organisms. So that is that about the question. We look at the next question. Which organs are part of the alimentary canal in the human digestive system? Is it A, salivary glands, tongue and pharynx? Is it B, large intestine, appendix and rectum? C, stomach, liver and gallbladder? D, esophagus, pancreas and small intestine? If you ask me, the best option that fits this answer is D, which is esophagus, pancreas and small intestine. Reason is that they are all connected strongly to the alimentary canal or digestive system of man. So if you observe this diagram, you see how connected they are. Whereas the other ones, they are also important, but they are not directly part of the alimentary canal. They are just like connections to the alimentary canal, as in the case of liver and gallbladder. So that is basically that. That is basically that. So things you know, the digestive system of humans are very, very, very vital. They are very, very vital, and those parts need to be noted, especially the enzymes that play a very major role in the digestive system. You have to know how the enzymes play roles in the different organs that they are being secreted. So the alimentary canal, or you call it gastrointestinal tract, is a long winding road. It's just like a long winding road. I'm just trying to give an illustration that food takes through your body. It starts at the mouth and ends at the anus. Here are the main stops along the way. So number one, mouth. Food enters here. Then two, esophagus, which is like a muscular tube. Food travels down to the stomach. Three, stomach. Food is mixed with digestive juices. Four, pancreas. Special glands produce digestive enzymes to help break down food. Five, small intestine, in bracket longest part. So in this, we have the duodenum. In this case of the duodenum, enzymes from the pancreas help digest food. Then we have jejunum. In this case, nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. Then the ileum, which is the main small intestine. Here, remaining nutrients are absorbed. That's the basic journey of food through your digestive system. So food's journey through your body. Imagine food taking a road trip through your body. You know, here are the main stops. Number one, the mouth. Food enters and gets chewed. Esophagus. Food slides down to the stomach. So three, stomach. Food meets digestive juices that break it down. Then we have four, pancreas. Special helpers, which you can call enzymes, join to assist with digestion. Five, small intestine. Food stops at three key places, and these are, I repeat again, duodenum. Enzymes help break down food. Jejunum, nutrients get absorbed into the bloodstream. Ileum, remaining nutrients get absorbed. So that's it. Food's journey through your body is like a road trip. Okay, I've said it before. So that is uh, what this particular question entails. So the answer which best fits it is D, esophagus, pancreas, and small intestine. So that's your answer. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.